Good morning, students. Class 5, English, Unit 3, B, Reading. Children, do you like to listen or read to stories? Yes or no? Yes, I know you like stories. So today, I'm going to tell you two stories. First one is The Three Little Rabbits, and the second one is The Two Clever Goats. So let's start it with the first story. The name of the story is The Three Little Rabbits. Scene 1. Narrator means storyteller, children. Once upon a time, there were three cute little rabbits. They spoke to their mother one day. Rabbit 1. Mummy, I'm big now. I must go out and live by myself. Rabbit 2. I too shall go, ma. Rabbit 3. Amma, I'll also go. Mother Rabbit. Okay, but live together. First, build a beautiful house. Rabbit 1, 2, and 3. Goodbye, Mummy. Mother Rabbit. Goodbye, little ones. Take care. Narrator. So the three little rabbits went out. Each one decided to build a separate house. They did not want to live together. And the summary of scene 1 is, listen to the summary, children. Once upon a time, there was a mother rabbit living with her three lovely little rabbits. One day, the three lovely little rabbits told their mother that they wanted to go and live by themselves. Their mother advised them to build a beautiful house and live together. So the three little rabbits left the mother's house, but each one decided to build a separate house. They didn't want to stay together. Everyone sings and dances. The three little rabbits started to sing and dance, children. Listen to the song. I'm going to read it now. As you all know, I'm not good at singing. I'll read the song. I am off to build a beautiful new house now. I am off to build a beautiful new house now. I am off to build a beautiful new house now. I am off to build a beautiful new house now. Next, scene 2. Narrator. The first little rabbit had not gone far when he met a man with a bale of hay. With a bale of hay means a large bundle of dry grass. Rabbit 1. Hello, uncle. Please give me that hay to build my house. Man 1. Here you are, little one. Rabbit 1. Thank you, uncle. Goodbye. Man. Goodbye. Narrator. Then the first little rabbit built his house of hay. And the summary is, the first rabbit met a man with a large bundle of dry grass or straw. Rabbit 1 said, Hello, uncle. Could you please give me the hay dry grass so that I could build myself a fine house. The uncle gave him the bundle of hay. The first rabbit thanked uncle and said goodbye. Uncle said bye too and left the place. Then the first rabbit built a house of hay. Narrator. The second little rabbit had not gone far when he met a man carrying a bundle of sticks. Rabbit 2. Hello, Mama. Mama means uncle. Please give me those sticks to build my house. Man 2. Here you are, little one. Rabbit 2. Thank you, Mama. Goodbye. Man 2. Goodbye. Narrator. Then the second little rabbit built his house of sticks. Rabbit 2. The second rabbit met a man carrying a bundle of sticks. Rabbit 2 said, Hello, Mama, means uncle. Could you please give me those sticks so that I could build myself a fine home? The mama, uncle gave the second rabbit the bundle of sticks. The second rabbit thanked uncle and said goodbye. Mama too said bye and left the place. Then the second rabbit built his house of sticks. Next. Narrator. The third little rabbit had not gone far when he met a man with a load of bricks. Rabbit 3. Hello, Kaka. Kaka means uncle. Please give me those bricks to build my house. Man 3. Here you are, little one. Rabbit 3. Thank you, Kaka. Goodbye. Man 3. Goodbye. Narrator. Then the third little rabbit built his house of bricks. Rabbit 3. The third rabbit met a man with a cart of bricks, children. Rabbit 3 said, Hello, Kaka, means uncle. Could you please give me those bricks so I could build myself a fine home? The Kaka gave him the cart of bricks to Rabbit 3, the third rabbit. The third rabbit thanked Kaka and said goodbye. Uncle also said goodbye. Then the third little rabbit built his house of bricks. Everyone sings and dances. The three little rabbits again started to sing and dance. Listen to the song again, children. I have built a beautiful new house, a new house just now. I have built a beautiful new house, a new house just now. I have built a house, a beautiful new house just now. I have built a beautiful new house, a new house just now. Scene 3. Narrator. One day, the first little rabbit heard a knock at the door. It was the bad big fox. Fox, little rabbit, let me come in. Rabbit 1. No, no, not by the hair of my chinny chin. Fox. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow down your house. Narrator. So the fox huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down. And the first little rabbit ran to his brother's house. And the summary is, one day a big bad fox came to the first little rabbit's house and asked the first little rabbit to open the door and allow him to get in. As we know, the first rabbit built the house with hay, with dry grass. The first little rabbit said, "No, no, I won't open." The big bad fox got angry and blew his house out. Then the first little rabbit ran to his brother second rabbit's house, who built house with sticks. Scene 4. The big narrator, the big bad fox, went to the second rabbit's house and knocked at the door. Fox. Little rabbit, let me come in. Rabbit 2. No, no, no. No, no, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. I will not let you in. Fox. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house out. Narrator. So the fox huffed and he puffed and he blew the house out. And the first little rabbit and the second little rabbit ran to their brother's house. Now, the big bad fox went to the second rabbit's house and knocked at the door and asked to let him in, means to allow him to come in. The second little rabbit also did not allow the big bad fox to get in. The big bad fox got very angry and said, "If you won't open, I will huff and puff," means breathe out very hard, "and blow your house." So saying, the big bad fox blew the second rabbit's house too. Then the first rabbit and the second rabbit ran to their brother's third rabbit's house, who built house with bricks. Scene 5. Narrator. One day, the third little rabbit heard a knock at the door. It was the big bad fox. Fox. Little rabbit, let me come in. Rabbit 3. No, no, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. I will not let you in. Fox. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. Narrator. So the fox huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed, but he could not blow the house down. The three rabbits sat together. Rabbit 1. Brothers, I think the fox has gone. Rabbit 2. No, no, look, he is coming down the chimney pipe. Rabbit 3. Oh, I have got an idea. Narrator. The three little rabbits together put the water tub on the fireplace under the chimney. The third little rabbit made a blazing fire in the fireplace. Rabbit 1. Brothers, look, the fox is crawling down. Rabbit 2. I can see his body. Rabbit 3. Oh, I can see his head. Narrator. Just as the fox was coming down the chimney, the first little rabbit lifted the lid of the tub of boiling water the fox fell into the tub and died. And the three little rabbits lived together happily ever after. And the summary is, one fine day, the third little rabbit heard a knock at the door. Before opening the door, the third little rabbit saw through the window. To his surprise, it was the big bad fox. Then the big bad fox asked the third little rabbit to open the door and allow him to come in. Rabbit 3 said, "No, no, I won't open." "Then I will blow out your house," said the big bad fox angrily, and blew the third rabbit's house. But the big bad fox could not blow the house down. The three little rabbits sat together and were waiting for the fox to go away. But after some time, they saw that the fox was coming through the chimney. The three rabbits together put the water tub on the fireplace under the chimney. The third rabbit made the fire extremely hot, and soon the water in the tub started boiling. Just as the fox was coming down the chimney, the first rabbit removed the lid of the tub of boiling water. The big bad fox fell into the tub of hot boiling water and died. The three little rabbits danced around the strong brick's house, singing and laughing with joy. Everyone sings and dances. The three little rabbits were very happy. They danced and sang together. Listen to the song, children. Ha ha ha, ho ho ho. We are not afraid of the big fox. Ha ha ha, ho ho ho. We are not afraid of the big fox. The three little rabbits lived together happily ever after. Next, look at the pictures on the screen, children, and listen to the story. The name of the story is The Two Clever Goats. Children, look at the picture 1. Once there lived two goats in a forest. They were tied with a rope. One day they saw two little plants somewhere in the forest. But those two plants were in two different directions. The two goats tried to go towards the two plants in different directions at a time, but they could not. The two goats thought for a while. Now look at second picture, children. Then the two goats went towards the first plant. Both of them ate it up. Look at picture 3, children. And then the two goats went towards the second plant. They ate it up too and went away happily. They proved that unity is strength. Unity is strength. Children, that's all for today. Stay united. Thank you.